Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm going to give you a small sneak peek of what we have in our E-Club kit for March. Now, I'm going to set some of this stuff over here real quick. And, of course, you have your zipper pouch. This is the waterproof zipper pouch that we include in every kit each month. Let me grab some things out of here. So you get that, and of course they come in multiple colors, so I have no clue what color you'll get, but you'll get one anyway. This is the paper collection, and it is from Echo Park, and it's called I Love Easter. You guys have been seeing me use this on the last couple of projects that I have been doing. I love, love, love it. I have done so many projects with this. As you can see, I've already used one pad up, and I've started on my second one. I love this. So you get that. You get the complete pack of ephemera that goes with it. And this has got some really pretty pieces in it. You can see there. So I think there are, let's see, 33 pieces in that. And then you get this beautiful pink bling from Eyelet Outlet. Love that. It's in 3 different sizes. Yeah, 3 different sizes. So you get that, and I'm going to just lay it on here so that you can see how the color combo goes. This month you also get a mono eraser. These are my favorite erasers when you trace something and then you need to go back and erase those pencil lines, or if you get a little bit of ink on your project, on your paper, project, whatever, and you need to erase that. This is really good for that. It doesn't leave residue, and it's just a fantastic eraser. It's called a sand eraser, and it's from Tombow. I use mine all the time, and I've had mine for a couple of years, and there's very little wear on it, so these will last you forever. This is a stash builder. So you get that. You also get a dual tip, and this is from Heathron marker. Now, I don't know what color you're going to get in your kit. They're not all blue. I had to buy a big pack of multicolors, so I just grabbed one and started putting them in kits. But they're the dual tip. This one is very, very fine, as you can see. Let me see if I can find a piece of paper. So this one is very fine, and it'll be good for coloring or journaling, whatever you want to do with it. And then this one is your brush tip. So you can see that. And this one will be good for coloring in those spaces, doing gradient. Isn't that pretty? So you get one of those in your kit. Now, like I said, I don't know what color you'll get, but we tried to pick colors that went with the paper collection. And then there's a little surprise inside here. I'm not going to open it up and show everybody, but you get a surprise inside there, and it's fragile. That's why we've got it wrapped like we do. You also get a Tim Holtz ruler, my favorite ruler in the whole wide world. So you get a Tim Holtz ruler. This is another stash builder. It's the one that has the 0 center so that you can center everything on your project. You get one of those. And let's see the papers that you get. You get these papers. You get a beautiful light teal. You get brown, and I think there's a couple of sheets of these. 2 or 3. I think there's 2 maybe. You get the beautiful pink, and then the festive yellow, which is great for Easter colors or spring colors. Let's just pull the paper pad up here and I'll show you. Look at that. Don't those match well? You can do your little baskets with the brown. Then you've got the pink, you've got your teal, and you've got your yellow. Isn't that beautiful? I love these. So you get that, and then you get some chipboard pieces. You get 2 chipboard pieces because we have a few little secret projects that we're going to add in this month. So this is what you get in the March kit. We wanted to include the Tim Holtz ruler because I had a lot of people who asked, could we put that in one of the kits? And I wanted to do that. Even if you have one, I always have a backup because you never know if you This could possibly break. I dropped mine one time on the cement and the corner broke off of it, so I always have a backup of my Tim Holtz ruler. So this is our kits. Now, I think we have, I want to say we have 5 extra kits this month is all, because we had quite a few that joined the club kit for March, so I think we may just have 5 extra. I will link the kit below. You can do a one-time purchase or you can join the kit club. Now, this does not include your PDF files, and I am still working on PDF files because I have quite a few PDF files for you for the month of March. Now, I know some people say, I don't do PDF files, I don't do templates. I know there are a lot of you who do, and a lot of you who are like me who love to get those free PDF files and templates so that I can just print them out, cut them out, and I'm through with the project. I don't have to do a lot of measuring or anything like that. That's why I try to give you guys the PDF files. Now, I had a couple of people say, I don't have a printer, I have the computer, I don't have a printer, and so I can't print those off. I went to Walmart for my granddaughter. She wanted a printer for Christmas. I went to Walmart and purchased her a really nice HP printer for $24. And it prints color, it scans, it does the whole 9 yards, and it was just $24. So you could possibly grab you a printer at Walmart. You can just order it offline if you don't want to go to Walmart. I think they've still got them for $24. They're a pretty teal color too. But, that's not much to spend on the printer. And then the cartridges are, I think, $30-something. But you wouldn't, if all you did was print off every now and then, you wouldn't have to buy cartridges but maybe twice a year. So that's a very inexpensive way to get all of your templates and your PDFs and all of that printed off at your house so that you don't have to worry about doing all the measuring. Now, when I do the projects, I try to give you all the measurements anyway. But that is just an added extra that we put in the kits for everybody. That's included in your cost. Is the free PDFs, the free SVGs, and the free templates. And like I said, this month we're going to have quite a few. I've got about 10 that I'm working on right now. So hopefully I'll be able to get all of those to y'all by Monday or Tuesday before you get your kits. So I just wanted to show you that. I wanted to show you the sneak peek on the kits right quick. And we will talk to you guys later. The links to everything that I have mentioned will be below. So if you want to go over and try our eClub kit, you can join anytime and you can cancel at any time. That is strictly up to you. So we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.